Hello everyone. Welcome to Daily English Practice. Picture description for beginners. Title: Cooking scene. A happy family is cooking together in the kitchen. The mother is pouring sauce into a pot on the stove. The father is chopping vegetables on a wooden board. Two children are assisting with the meal preparation. The older child is arranging lemon slices on a plate. The younger child is stirring noodles in a bowl. The kitchen cabinets are organized with jars and boxes. Plates are neatly stacked in a rack above the counter. A pitcher of juice and seasoning containers are on the counter. The family appears cheerful and engaged in their tasks. The window reveals a clear blue sky outside. The mother wears a pink shirt and apron. The father is dressed in a blue shirt. The older child has pigtails and a yellow dress. The younger child is wearing a white shirt. A pot is steaming on the stove. The kitchen has modern appliances and tools. The overall mood is warm and joyful. Each family member is contributing to the cooking process. The environment is clean and well lit. The walls have a soft, beige color. The utensils are hanging on a rack in the background. The children are learning by helping. The father's chopping is precise and careful. The mother stirs the sauce with focus. The kitchen table is clutter-free. The lemons add a touch of freshness to the scene. The children are smiling, indicating their excitement. It's a wholesome family bonding moment. The scene emphasizes teamwork and togetherness. Questions and answers practice. What is the mother doing?
She is pouring sauce into a pot.
What is the father holding?
He is holding a knife and chopping vegetables.
What is the older child doing?
She is arranging lemon slices on a plate.
What is the younger child stirring?
He is stirring noodles in a bowl.
What is the color of the father's shirt?
It is blue.
Where are the plates placed?
The plates are in a rack above the counter.
What is on the stove?
A pot is steaming on the stove.
What is the mood of the family?
The mood is happy and cheerful.
What is outside the window?
A clear blue sky is visible outside.
What do the children learn from this activity?
They learn teamwork and cooking skills.
Subscribe the channel for more videos.